Growing vegetables and herbs gets easier if we know the best method of sowing. In today's video, I will help you understand when to go for direct seed sowing, when to choose sapling transplant, or when propagation is the best method. Let's first understand the three main methods of sowing. The first method is direct sowing, meaning directly sowing the seeds in the garden bed. This can be done through broadcast, where you just scatter the seeds on the soil. Seeds like mustard, spinach, methi, and many such leafy greens are always broadcasted or scattered on the soil. You can also do localized sowing, where you make small pits on the soil surface and drop a seed and then cover it back up. Seeds of turmeric, potatoes, ginger, garlic grow with this method. Even radish, carrots and beetroots grow very quickly and easily with burying the seeds under the soil. The second method of sowing is sapling transplant. As the name suggests, here you grow the seeds in seed trays like these. Fill these trays with potting mix and keep them in a nursery. Tomatoes, chilies, carrots, cauliflowers, capsicum, flowers like marigold, hollyhock, calendula, all these are grown in seed trays. Third method is propagation through cuttings or multiplication. Herbs like Indian borage, rosemary, basil, mint, ornamentals like philodendron, money plants, succulents, cacti, vegetables like lettuce, celery, fruiting trees like mango, lemon, apple, orange, all these can be propagated as cuttings or stem cuttings particularly. Propagation through multiplication is commonly done with lemongrass, garlic, taro, potatoes. In case of lemongrass, you separate out each plant slip and plant them separately. In case of garlic, you break down the garlic head into cloves and plant each clove separately. Bulbs of lilies and dahlias can also be propagated the same way. In case of taro or potatoes, you can either plant them whole or cut out the section with the eye that will eventually turn into a plant. Another method of multiplication is also through leaves, which is quite commonly seen in case of succulents. Now let's understand which method should be used when. Direct sowing is a default sowing method for all leafy greens like methi, spinach, mustard. These seeds germinate in 2 to 3 days, grow very quickly and are ready to harvest in a few weeks. This method is very easy and does not consume much time. However, when you broadcast seeds, it usually results in overcrowding of saplings. In such cases, you will have to thin them out, meaning you will have to remove some saplings so that the rest of the saplings get enough space to grow to its full size. Most of these baby saplings can be actually consumed raw or can be added to soups. As far as transplanting is concerned, there are a few reasons you'd like to consider this method. If you live in a climatic zone that experiences frost and snow, or you live in areas of extreme heat, saplings can be grown in nurseries for 4 to 6 weeks before favorable conditions arise. So transplanting helps you start early. Another benefit of saplings is that it ensures higher survival of plants and thus higher chances of produce. Growing in a nursery with favorable conditions helps the plant get a good start. Third benefit is that transplanting saplings help you utilize space efficiently in your garden. If you know your garden requirements, you can grow the required amount of saplings and plant them in specific locations. Also, you end up wasting less number of seeds. Finally, transplant is also the best method for beginners because these saplings can be bought from the market and directly transplanted in your garden. So you will not spend time and energy in growing those saplings and handling them. When thinking of propagating plants through cuttings or multiplication, like I gave examples of garlic and taro and ginger, monsoon and spring are most favorable seasons for this activity. Post-propagation, plants undergo a period of shock where they adjust to the new environment. In this phase, a plant requires favorable amount of sunlight and watering. Hence, it will also require some level of expertise and care from your end. The chances of survival can be 50-50 or even lower in some cases. So it is good to propagate high number of saplings to ensure survival of a few. Propagation is also favored when you want to multiply a specific variety of fruiting trees or flowering bushes like roses. All in all, each method is suitable for a certain type of plant and should be matched with your skill and patience level. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.